Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Michael Levan. Thank you so much for joining me today. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a short video on some machine learning with Python, specifically using the mean median mode. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a list of numbers. We're going to use a library called NumPy in Python, and then we're going to find the average of those numbers. Now, this is a small example of machine learning. However, this is a great place to start because at the end of the day, machine learning is any type of data set to automatically come to a conclusion for you. So with that, let's go ahead and jump right into the demo. So let's go through a scenario here where we're going to find the median mode for the average speed in New Jersey. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to import a library called NumPy, which is going to help us find the average. Now, if you don't have this library already, that's perfectly okay. All you have to do is run pip install NumPy, and then you'll be able to install that library. Next, what I'm going to do is I have some numbers here that I'm just going to copy into the code. And these numbers are going to be for school zones. So school zones are typically 25 miles per hour in New Jersey. Residential is 35 miles per hour. Major roads can be between 45 and 50 miles per hour. Smaller highways are 55 miles per hour. And then major highways are 65 miles per hour. So now that I have this, what I want to do is I'm going to type LST, and I'm going to turn this into a list variable. And I'm going to type in 25, 35, 45, 50, 65, and 55. So this is going to be a list of the numbers for all of the different speeds in New Jersey. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to define another variable called speed equals, and then I'm going to use the NumPy library, and I'm going to use the mean method. The mean method is going to be able to give us the average. I'm going to say LST here because LST is the variable that I defined here with all of the speeds. And then finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say print speed. Okay, so from here, I'm going to type Python ml.py because that's the name of my file here. I'm going to run that. And then as we can see, the average speed in New Jersey, based on all the different residential, school zones, highways, etc., is around 45.8 miles per hour. And that's how you can find the average mean mode using machine learning in Python. Thank you so much for watching.